Peace and blessings, gang. We are back at it again. And if you watched the last video, that's gonna lead you into this video.
Absolutely, gang, and it's gonna be a great one.
Well,
we're claiming it.
We're claiming it. Because we try to do our best to make sure that they are great videos.
It's gonna be great regardless, because we're outside, gang.
So this time, gang, the campsite that we booked, there is absolutely no electricity at the campsite. Come to think of it, I don't even know if there's water. Let me correct that. So, of course there is water at the campground, but I mean our site. I don't know if there's water there. There's bathrooms, things like that we're able to use, but usually if you know us and you've been watching us for a while, most of our campsites have electricity and water on the site that we're at. So being this time that I booked one that didn't have electricity, I don't know if it has water. That's what I meant.
That's right, and we're doing that because the goal is to get closer to the goal of being able to go disperse camping, relying strictly on Glow to provide all our needs for us to thrive out there camping, gang. That's the goal. So let's get to it.
Yeah.
Gang. Shout out to OutEquipPro for providing us this 460 amp hour 12.8 volt lithium battery. And man, so far so good with this battery. We've been running it for a whole day straight.
We got here at the campsite roughly about 7:58 to 7:59 p.m.
Right. We had it running since probably about 7 o'clock yesterday, 7 p.m. And we're currently, as you see, at 60%. We have 13.3 volts. We are only pulling 5.9 amps at the time. And we're running a refrigerator, the Bodega refrigerator. We're running our lights. We have the sink, as you see, but it doesn't stay on full time. It only comes on when you hit it. We did have the air conditioner running a little earlier. And we also had the fan going right now, which you're probably hearing knocking right now because something strange happened last night while we was running the fan. Like all of a sudden we heard a loud noise and now it is like the fan is off balance or something. It's dumping. Yeah.
But we'll figure that out another day.
Anybody have a Maxxair fan with any tips of what that can be? Please let us know. Yeah, and cause we really need to turn it up, but we're going to turn on this air conditioner again because it's getting hot in here again, but we want y'all to be able to hear us. So the temperature of the battery, as you can see, also is 79 degrees. Well, it's fluctuating, as you see, between 79 and 77. Mm-hmm. And this app that you see on screen is provided to us through the battery, right? Because this battery connects via Bluetooth to your phone. Mm-hmm. And as you can see here, we have the power output button, a power input button, and a cell list button that we can click on that shows us that we are at 13.3 volts, the battery pack voltage. It has a minimum of 13.32, a maximum of 13.323, and a difference of 002. It shows us the cell voltage of each battery cell. As you see, there's 4 cells, and then the current charging interval is 22 hours. So that's how long it's been running right there, gang. That tells you we've been running for 22 hours. So shout out to OutEquipPro. Thank you for sending this battery to us and sponsoring this video. Mm-hmm. We truly appreciate it. This is a game changer.
It was 90 degrees today.
Right.
So whenever we were getting out, initially it wasn't too bad inside the globe, but it got to a point where it did become very warm. So again, like he said, thank you OutEquipPro for this battery, because we were able to run everything, including the air conditioner.
We've been running off this OutEquipPro battery for 2 days now. Shout out to OutEquipPro. This is the setup we got going on right now. It's a temporary setup. You're gonna have to excuse the mess, gang, but this is what we got going on. We got that 12.8 volt, 460 amp hour Life Pro 4 multi-purpose battery, engineered for RV and off-grid living. You hear that? It is made for off-grid living. And we're gonna be doing some off-grid living. We're definitely gonna be doing some off-grid camping. I mean, who knows what the future holds, but this opens up a bigger door for Nikki and I, right? To go explore and do all the things that we're wanting to do, Lord willing. If it's the Most High's will, we will be doing all kind of awesome things. And one of them is hanging out by some water, catching some fish without having to have no power, because Nikki's afraid of certain areas, so she can stay in glow while I go catch me some fish. You already know. But this thing has been running for 2 days now. Let me tell you exactly how long it's been running. We are sitting right at 34 hours. We've been running for 34 hours, gang, as you see. So another cool feature about this battery, besides the Bluetooth app, is these two XT90 quick connect ports. And then you also have an Anderson quick connect port here. So you can do all kind of things with this battery as far as quick connection goes. You can clean up all of this mess and have this as your main wire source. Like, you can run your Anderson connector straight to your bus bar to power up all of this here, and then you can have your solar panel MPPT charger running directly into here. Get it? Smooth. Again, shout out to OutEquipPro for providing us with this 460 amp hour 12.8 lithium battery. So far so good. We on 30 plus hours and going, gang.
So we've had the refrigerator running this whole time. It's not completely full, but we still got a few things inside of there, and it was working so good, some of this stuff became frozen. So if you see that, it's set to 7 and 43. So I got to figure out how to reset the refrigerator so I can make sure that the settings are in the right spot. But hey, OutEquipPro has powered this refrigerator the whole time and hasn't been turned off. I mean, I don't even know what else to say about this battery.
All right, gang, we have arrived back at the house, safe and sound. And you see, we still got juice, gang. Still got juice. We officially made it 48 hours. You see, back at the shop, gang.
Hey, but it is clean in here. If you see, we've gotten our counter over here all cleared out. We got the space over in our kitchen area. It is now all cleared out, but what I hadn't cleared out yet, the refrigerator, gang. But I'm gonna make that happen here shortly.
So this is what it's looking like, gang. 39% left. As you can see the time there. I don't know if you can make that time out or not. Oops, I closed it on you, didn't I? But that's the time, 6:30. What you think, Nikki, about the OutEquipPro battery?
Hey, I think it's an A++, and we're gonna be taking it out on many, many more camping trips where we don't have to have electricity.
Right. And I'm gonna call that 48-hour test a success. OutEquipPro battery did great.